Hey guys, Rhett here, Section 8 guy. Thanks for watching. Down here in Birmingham at another property for a client. This client has this property under contract for $48,000. We're estimating the rent on it to be somewhere between $975 and $1,150 per month. Come on inside, check it out. So guys, this client is in the coaching program and this is their first property. So a home run property. Very, very excited to show you guys this one. It's got some quirky things. It definitely needs some work done, but in a beautiful area. It's a corner lot on the street in an area that I'm very, very familiar with. And I think that people are gonna be lining up down the street to get into this one. So come on in. So guys, first of all, we kind of come in here into a little mudroom type area. This used to be outside. It looks like it was encapsulated at some point. This at one time was an exterior window to the house. So this was all the siding to the house, and then somebody just basically framed it in and created a room here. That's fine. The carpet in here is fairly new. Will just have to be shampooed. We might have to change it out, but we're gonna try and salvage it. So we'll repaint this window here, repaint all this framing, clean these windows. No issues here, but you guys can see, I mean, it used to be the exterior. You have an exterior lamp right here. So guys, coming in here, we have our living room, okay? Disgusting, dirty fan. We'll get rid of this, put a nice light fixture up there. And we have hardwoods, okay? Now the hardwoods, they're not in the best shape, but they're fine. So we'll talk to the client about whether he wants to keep them as is or cover them with carpet and use this as a subfloor. I'd be okay with both. The hardwood isn't really up to the level of satisfaction that we like to create in our units. It is a little mismatchy. It doesn't flow the right way. There is some issues with how it was finished. The lacquer was not done correctly. So, you know, it's at the point where, okay, well, we just kind of put it on market as hardwood floors, or we carpet over it and put a pad down, carpet over it, use it as a subfloor. But that'll be a discussion that we have with the client. So above us, guys, we have some water damage, okay? This house needs an entirely new roof. The roof on it is probably somewhere around 30 or 40 years old, and water is coming in here. So we'll definitely take care of that. We're gonna cover up this fireplace as well. We'll put a fireplace cover over this too to make this inoperable. We just don't want to deal with fireplaces. They cause too many issues, too much of a liability for us. So we'll create on top of this, we'll put a cover over here, and it'll still be really nice. It's a really nice living room space, okay? So guys, coming in here, this will be our dining room. We'll put a nice big dining room table right here, okay? And again, with the hardwood in here, we have some issues with hardwood in here, guys. We have some rotted hardwood here that needs to be sanded and refinished just from wear and tear in this room. There's new painting that needs to be done. We have to repaint the ceiling, repaint some of the walls. There's just some wall damage that has been patched that we need to fix. We'll put a new light fixture in here as well. So it just needs a lot of stuff. We're looking at somewhere between $20,000 and $25,000 all in for rehab on this property. You guys will see why. And we're just gonna be all into it for under $70,000 for a property that'll rent for over $1,000 a month. It's pretty dang good, okay? So guys, coming in here, we have our kitchen, okay? Ceiling fan, hasta la vista. We're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna put new light fixtures above here. As you can tell, we have some serious mold and rotting coming in through the ceiling, again, because of that bad roof. We have peeling coming in. This whole wall is saturated with water because of that roof, okay? Underneath our feet, we have peel and stick flooring. It's like stickers. It's the adult version of stickers for kids. You take a big sticker, you put it on the ground, it's hideous. Awful, awful, awful. We're gonna put a new floor down in here. Under here, mold, rot, nightmare, disaster. All that needs to be fixed, remediated. We're gonna tear it out. We're gonna put a new, underneath the sink, we're gonna put all new wood and everything down there, replace this sink, fix the plumbing, okay? Otherwise, guys, the cabinets, we're gonna paint these cabinets, make them look good, put a nice new stove in here, put a nice refrigerator back behind you. We'll actually put it in here, we put a counter depth refrigerator right in here, and go from there. So that's what we'll do over here. And then off the back of the house, guys, we have a door with no knob. We have a newer door in the back of the house. And back here you have all your hookups. So you have your washer dryer hookup, you have your dryer vent, and you have your water heater that looks fairly new, okay? So everything's good. We'll run tests on everything to make sure we're good there. A new electrical panel back here as well. We'll actually probably put a new door in. I didn't see that. That's plexi over what was a shattered piece of glass in that door. So we'll put a new door in there as well. Again, guys, with the ceiling, you got water damage coming in from the roof, so that's why that has to be replaced. But I want to take you guys back through the house into the bedroom wing, okay? So walking through the dining room, it's a good sized house, guys, and it is in a really, really nice part of town. So I definitely don't think we're gonna have any issues renting it, okay? So we're about to enter the bedroom wing of the house. So it's a 3-bedroom unit, okay? Really nice. Again, it's all hardwood floors, as you guys will see. However, the bathroom's a problem, and I'll show you why. There's actually a weight limit for the toilet, okay? It's one of the only houses you'll see where the bathroom has a weight limit, and I'll show you why. If you are over 42 pounds, you cannot use the toilet. Come on in. So guys, here's our bathroom. And I don't know if any of you have seen a weight limit toilet before, but that's what it looks like. Okay, as you can see, there is a nice big hole. So if you put too much pressure on the top of the toilet, you're going in, all right? So what we have to do here is we have to rebuild this entire floor. We're gonna go underneath. We'll cut this whole thing out. We'll take everything out. Odds are, if the rot is that bad under the toilet, it's that bad under the tub, which means we're probably gonna have to gut this entire bathroom, rebuild the entire floor, rebuild the vanity, put this wall, restructure the wall, restructure underneath the tub, because what we don't want, guys, is to just fix that patch, have somebody taking a bath and end up 6 feet below in the crawl space, okay? Not what we want at all right? So come on over here. We come into bedroom number 1. Super nice bedroom, guys. Really, really nice. Nice closet, good sized room. We'll put new light fixtures in here. We'll do touch-up paint work. Again, we have some issues with some ceiling rot coming through. It's very, very soft up there, and you can tell that water's coming in. So multiple parts in the roof have issues, which is why we're changing it out. Okay? Nice though, nice bedroom right here, all right? So coming in here, we have a smaller bedroom. This is the smallest bedroom of the 3, but still not a bad size. It's a good sized closet, nice big window, and we'll put a new light fixture in here as well, touch up the paint, touch up the outlets. This outlet right here probably has some wiring issues as there's a burnout in one of the plug holes, okay? So we'll do some stuff to that outlet. We'll rewire it. We'll put a new outlet there. We'll put a new outlet over on this side as well. And then, guys, our final bedroom, okay, so you can access this bedroom from the hallway. This bedroom you can access through here, but it has a lock on it, okay, so for privacy. But you can also access this bedroom from the kitchen, okay? So it has its own entryway. You don't have to pass through that bathroom to get to this one, all right? So what we'll do here, we'll create a nice closet door right here, and we have a nice big bedroom, okay? So we'll put a nice light fixture up here as well. And there are your 3 bedrooms, all hardwood floors. the hardwood in this room too, guys. There are just some small issues. Again, this is actually, that's water damage. So I'm not quite sure. Maybe they painted over it, or maybe it's running down through this wall, which is why that's all buckled in the corner. But we'll find out why when we get up in that roof and see where all that rot and damage is taking place, to find out what's really going on up there. So let's head back out here. So remember, third bedroom, second bedroom, first bedroom, and our bathroom right here with a closet off of that as well. But guys, overall, really nice unit. Really nice unit. It's going to be a phenomenal rental, but it needs work. And in a lot of these houses, doing rehabs between 10 and 25,000, that's kind of the norm. More, you know, when we're talking about property like this, the client's going to be putting down on this unit, the purchase price is 48,000, okay? So when you talk about putting down 20%, you're talking about putting down such a finite amount of money. I mean, not even 10,000 in a down payment. So we put a down payment of 10,000 down, say we'll round up to 10,000. We're putting 25 in. We're all into this thing for 35,000, and then boom, we're in great shape. Okay. So guys, thanks for watching. Drop me an email below, links below, and see you next time.